What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing and overview of what I would consider a boring product when it comes to unboxing, but it's actually, I think, a good time right now to be getting into the NVMe SSD market, mainly because these prices have really started coming down over the past 3, 4, 5 months. I feel like the prices have kind of came down to where it's really easy to recommend these to anyone out there. So this is a 500 gigabyte Western Digital black drive. I needed a little bit more storage in my boot drive. Currently I have a 256 gig Intel 660p, and it needs something with a little bit more storage on it. So I went and got this. It was $62.99 on Amazon. I will leave the link below if you want to buy that. It comes with a five-year warranty. It's a 3D Nano, it's a 3D NVMe SSD. That's why the prices have came down a little bit. So it's not going to be like a Samsung 870 Pro or anything along that line, but I think it's one of the better ones out there, especially if you're looking to get into some of the mid to low range NVMe drives. I've had really good luck with Western Digital with their hard drives. I have 2 hard drives I've had from them I've had them for over 10 years. I'll probably never be able to get this open, but I've had them for over 10 years. And I've had really good luck with their hard drives when it comes to performance and overall longevity of the drive. So this is not going to be a very exciting unboxing because there ain't much in here, but you get some general product information. I really wish companies would quit sending all this paper product out. I kind of wish that they would go away from this and do it all online, to where if you want it there, and that's it. You just basically get the drive, and that's it. Nothing too exciting. Again, these are on sale right now, or they were when I was looking at them. So is the 870 EVO from Samsung. So if you're wanting a 1 or 2 terabyte hard or NVMe drive SSD, now's the time to really jump on that. It's a little before Black Friday, but if you can get, a 500 gigabyte really fast storage or boot drive for $60, $70, I think it's a great investment, especially if your motherboard supports NVMe. M.2 drives. Mine currently has 3 on it. 2 are only NVMe, 1 is regular SATA. But I'm really excited to see the performance out of this. It's a good reviewed SSD also. Fast write speeds, fast read speeds. It will be a huge upgrade over the Intel 660p, which is not one of the higher performing NVMe drives out there. It's more of a budget oriented line, and I think I only paid like $40-some for it. It was really cheap when I got it. So that's it, guys. Again, if you want to buy this, I'll put the link below. I got it on Amazon, and it was a pretty good deal. So that's it. Have a good rest of the weekend. Be safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.